Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello everyone, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. So today I am going to show you how to actually register your course on your THI Moodle. Actually, as you know who are a student of THI, so you can see everything and you can see all the classes, all the slides from THI Moodle. So how can you register your new courses on THI Moodle? I am going to show you. So first of all, actually you will go in a Chrome browser. I already in a Chrome browser, and then actually take a new tab, and here write down that moodle.thi.d. okay, then I am going to directly, because I just would like to show you, I am going to my dashboard, and when you will go the Moodle page as a new student, then you will have to give your THI mail and password to enter this Moodle. So after entering this Moodle, then you can make usually you can see actually the German version of these pages, but you can also make translate it to English. So I already translated in English, and then you can see actually here is my present courses and present modules which already I enrolled. But who you are new student who just will start your semester in this university, so how you will register for new courses. For example, I am going to show you how to do it. So from here in the top bar, I am doing this from my PC. You can also do it from your mobile phone by Moodle application, no problem. So click the course sources here, and then you write down which courses you would like to enrolled. For example, I would like to enroll for these courses. Don't exactly write down which courses you would like to enroll. So this is very important. If you write if you also misspell, then you will not get your courses, you will not find your courses. See, actually when I search by the name of the courses, then it show the courses, then I click the courses, and who will enter first time, or who would like to register first time for any courses, then you will have to give here the key modules. So I will also tell you where you will get the key modules or subject key, how you will get it. Then I am going to tell you. First of all, I just would like to show you. Then I can, and then enroll me, click the enroll me. Your enrollment is done. I mean, actually I already enrolled these courses, and yeah, all these courses, and I would like to also show you by enrolling another courses. So here this is the German version, and I am clicking here course, and then I also write down my subject name, technology and society. Which courses I already enrolled: business and economics, circular economy, and lifestyle. Okay, so first of all, I am going to check actually which courses I already enrolled. Then I am maybe I did not enroll only one courses. Let me check it. Okay, so just wait. In the dashboard I can see all courses here, which courses I already enrolled, and from here you can see my course names: circular economy and lifestyle management, and here is my all courses. So I am going to enroll for the first semester courses, as I did not completed these courses. Business and economics, sustainable materials, and no, this is not for this semester courses. Sustainable business strategy and circular economy, and technology management. I enrolled these 3 courses. I will have to enroll studies in entrepreneurship, sustainable business economics, and this is also economics, business economics and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, business and economics. This is another course. I already enrolled these courses, and I also enrolled technology and society. So where is technology and society? So just I am showing you up. Actually, this is important for you also to check that have you enrolled all courses or not. Okay, by the way, I think so. I have to enroll one more courses or 2 courses. Okay, so now I am going to actually copy economics, circular economic life cycle management, business entrepreneurship, metrics and analytics. See, actually, have I try to enroll these courses. Just wait. If you enrolled one time, then you will not able to enroll one more time. Okay, we remember about it. So this is why I check. Go to course and paste here. I just paste my subject name, and yeah, this is I did not enroll these courses. So here I have to write down, and how you will find this key I am going to tell you. Okay, so now then I have to write down the course key and click down here, and yeah, I already enrolled these courses, and all the materials is here. You can also make it English, no problem. Just translate it in English. Okay, so this is the way of enroll the courses. So now I am going to also show you how you will find your course keys. So first of all, if you are a student, if already you enrolled first semester, or if you already enrolled second semester or like that, then I mean, actually, if already you have module and you have some courses in your module, then you can check from your module. When the university published the key, first of all, they are published in the module website or modules. For example, I am going to show you. This is our course details, and from here, if I go the scroll down, then you can see actually information relevant for 2026 cohort starting in March in this area. Because if you are finding for another information, then you can go down. I mean, you can you have to read down from here. You can see actually module case to enroll in the first semester. So if you click here, then you can see all the modules keys and subjects name and everything of the these courses. Okay, so then or if you would like to, you can also copy paste copy from here, or if you would like to make a screenshot, so then you can also make a screenshot from here. This is not a big deal. Okay, so I just try to show you, and then copy paste here, and try to complete your course enrollment. And the thing is that if you don't find these keys on the module page, then you can contact with your deans, I mean your department head or your course coordinator, or you can also ask your friends if you have any if you are already in any group with your department friends or with your subjects friends, then you can ask them. I hope so then that you will able to find these keys and you will able to enroll. Thank you so much all of you, and all the best for you and for your upcoming semester. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.